3 reasons why DaVinci Resolve is better than Adobe Premiere Pro. Gather your village people. Let's talk about it. Now, I know some Adobe Premiere Pro fanboys will come for me for this video. I understand. I was once an Adobe Premiere Pro fanboy as well. But using DaVinci Resolve will just change it all for you in your head. You just realize that there is actually more and life can be a lot easier and better and smoother. Let's not even talk about crashing, okay? How much Adobe Premiere Pro crashes when you put it through rigorous work.
Guess what, motherfucker?
Let's leave that aside. Let's check 3 cogent reasons why I think DaVinci Resolve is a lot better. The number 1 reason is the interface. DaVinci Resolve to me has an easier interface than Adobe Premiere Pro. It is a left to right interface. And a bonus to that interface is the fact that what you have in After Effects, the things that you have to leave Adobe Premiere Pro to go into After Effects to do, in DaVinci Resolve, it is integrated into the Fusion panel. Now, Fusion is an app on its own, but that app is integrated into DaVinci Resolve. So you can do all the multi-level tracking, all the high-level motion graphics and animations and all of that. You can do them in Fusion tab, all within one software. You're not going anywhere. The second reason to me is color grading. You have not started enjoying grading until you start using DaVinci Resolve. And I want you to understand, first of all, that DaVinci Resolve was originally not even an editing software. It was a color grading software. It had nothing about editing in it before. It was over time that it evolved into an editing software. Whilst on the other hand, Adobe Premiere Pro initially did not have color grading in its software until it bought over Lumetri and then integrated color grading into the software. So you see, and the final reason why I feel DaVinci Resolve is a much better software than Adobe Premiere Pro is the price. See, unless you are downloading crashed one or cracked one or whatever from black web or dark web or whatever, wherever, Adobe Premiere Pro is expensive. Adobe Premiere Pro is close to $400 to buy. It's not like once you pay that money, that's all. You'll be paying yearly. DaVinci Resolve is a one-off payment of, I think, about $295 thereabout. And once you buy it, it's a lifetime purchase. DaVinci Resolve is owned by Blackmagic. If you buy a Blackmagic camera, a brand new Blackmagic camera that is, it comes with the software. Tell me how Adobe is going to beat that, especially with the fact that Adobe is even cracking down on people who are using the cracked software. If you don't have $300 above and you're using the cracked software, relax, Adobe is coming for you. And funny thing is, there's literally nothing Adobe Premiere Pro can do that DaVinci cannot do. And in some cases, even do better and easier. So what are we talking about? If you've not switched, what are you waiting for? Switch now. Now you can thank me. Follow for more tips on filmmaking, cinematography, and content creation.